What's the first thing sales reps do when they get their hands on loads of leads? They tirelessly dial each of them and start cold outreach. Sales reps are stuck in this same loop. Dial, wait, leave a voicemail, log it, move to the next. And more leads mean more manual effort and more time. The outcome? Just a handful of connections. But the sales team lives for and thrives on plentiful connections, not just a few. So, the obvious thought? Let's increase the number of daily cold calls. Onboarding a new member solves that too. But with call automation, you'd reach more leads, faster, and even free your team from the tiring outreach loop. And KrispCall, the AI-powered business phone system, offers exactly what your team needs to automate cold outreach: the Power Dialer. Using it, sales reps can queue thousands of leads without dialing a single number manually. All they need to do is upload their contact list, fill up the details, create a campaign, and start calling instantly. Every call is powered by full VoIP functionality, helping reps stay sharp, efficient, and focused on building real connections. Scaling cold outreach doesn't mean a bigger team, just smarter tools doing the heavy lifting. The result? More outreach, more conversations, less burnout. Don't wait. Start your call automation journey at KrispCall.com today.